guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mama Karanja. Makaranja is my son and he is 3 years old. So today is like the third day, and the update for those people who don't know, I am a single mom for now. And right now in this moment, I am a single mom, and I have luck. And today I am just it is like the third day of me telling you that I got a job and I'm going to train to be a teacher, which has been my dream for the longest. But right now it's on a Saturday and I want to uproot some roots, like to weed, not uproot, it's weeding. Yeah, weeding. Karanja is playing here with my sister's son. They're the one talking there, and yeah, join me as we do this. So the new house, that, look at my fingers, it's so dirty. That's why stick-ons, I don't know if I'm going to ever put on stick-ons, because it is limiting people to do some stuff. These stick-ons, even that this one, it has gotten out, it looks so bad. So I was talking about the new house. I went and found a single room, and the security is tight rather than the other houses that I see here, and it's near where I'm gonna be coming every morning with my son, so that he can go to school and so that I can train to be a teacher. ECD. Yeah, not even train. I'm going to be like an intern. Anyway, I'm just looking for some things to do. If there will be like cooking, I'll be doing those stuffs, because I'm not trained, so I cannot do a lot of things. I don't have a career. So the house, it doesn't have electricity. We're going to go today. I'm going to show you. My things are right now at their kitchen, and it's just a mattress and clothes. I don't have a lot of stuff, just clothes and a mattress. I will not be cooking. I'll be eating here where we'll cook, and I'll be carrying some food for Karanja, because nowadays I want to lose this weight. I don't want to eat supper, so the only thing that I will be carrying is some food for my son. So that house, it will be my first to ever stay alone, and the security is nice, but the limiting part is that it doesn't have electricity. But anyway, we're not complaining. I want to be positive. I want to heal positively. Yeah, I don't want to keep on reminding myself how things went, and yeah, all that. I don't want that. So guys, let's go root these roots. Uproot. Yeah, it's uproot. Oh, before I get distracted again, because I always get distracted. And I put some what do you call them, lashes on the lashes. I blushed my lashes with some ink. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Let's go.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run, 'cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target, but if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I had never started. I'm a moving target, but if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. No, I don't wanna myself. I don't wanna face myself.
The chapati have been cooked in the on the firewood. Yeah, there are another ones, guys. Look at this. They're nice. They're not that bad. Oh, I forgot that my hands are. Look at that. They're not clean. I have not finished. Let me show you where I have reached. I'll do that tomorrow because now I have to go to tuition some class 5 or class 4, class 3 students. Had to wipe. Was wiping some spilled tea. This is where currently I have reached. Tomorrow I'll finish the other. I don't know if you can see well, but you see that, like this reef here, the biggest, I think, I don't know what plant is that. That's where I have reached. The others I have weeded. I don't know if you can see well. I've tried to weed. This is a big shamba, guys. Where? See the weeds. Good girl. Let me now see the students, what they are doing. Oh, my God. Najua kuchora tumiti. Nini? Tumiti? 3. Umehesabu 1, 2, 3. Hapo unakuja hapa. 4, tumiti 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sijui mbona ni yako nachora. Nachora mbili hapa. Umeendelea? Hesabu zote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Naandika 7. Andika hapa 7. Good girl. Na utaniambia vile naitwa. Unaitwa nani? Niambie jina before. Wewe jijui. Unaitwa nani? Jina. Bila. Ita. Mbona useme jina? Na wewe ni mrefu. Ita. Kuja inside. Tia hapa chini. Tenjoroke. Mbona useme jina yako? Unaogopa chicha? Unaogopa? Asikuchapi? Haya. Hesabu hii ni nini? Hii ni namba gani? Sema. Hii watu. Tuandike hapa ndio ujue ni namba gani. Haya, sema na mimi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Haya, sema 1. Sema na nguvu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sawa. Kwa hivyo hiyo namba yenye tunaona hapa mbele ni gani? Hii ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sinafanana na hii. So inaitwa 5. Haya, hesabu tumiti 5 hapa. Kidogo tutafikia hapo hiyo namba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nota 1, 2, 3, 4. Unahesabu zote. Hesabu zote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. High five. Wewe ni good boy. Wewe ni mwerevu sana. Kunyamaza tu. Hii ni namba gani? Naitwa 3. Hesabu tumiti 3. 1, 2, 3. Aha. 1, 2, 3. Hesabu zote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Hii ni namba 7. So utahesabu miti ngapi? Utahesabu miti ngapi? Toroge. Hii ni number 7. Utahesabu miti ngapi? 7. Miti? 7. Sasa hesabu miti 7 hapa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Na hii ni? Hesabu miti ngapi? 4. Hesabu zote. 7, 8. Si tumetoka hapa miti 7, uendeleza, unaendeleza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Hapa miti ngapi? 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Hapo miti ngapi? 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hesabu zote. Tutafanya hivi. Lazima copy question. Mimi na waste time. Kucopy question inakuisipia time. Sasa ukishamaliza ile ndio unafanya unafanyishia hapa nje kwa shamba. Utafanya uko na raba. Ndio maana kwanza utafanya kitu tulisema hii ndio height ya hii. Sio? Hata height inaweza iko kutoka hapa hadi hapa, sawa? Hadi hapa hadi hapa. Ni height. Yote ni height, sawa? Na inaweza kuwa kutoka hapa hadi hapa. Unaona? Hiyo ndio height. Hii tulisema ni hapa. Base. Na nasema tafuta area yayo, tulisema ni half times base times height. Ukiona any triangle inakuwa half times base times height. Yes. Bwana tunasema ni half. Bwana tunaandika kwa half na tunasio 4. Tunasio 1/4. Ni juu hizi mbili. Sawa. So hii ni kama tu nusu inakuanga tu. Sawa. Haya. Ukopi question na kusema mkosha maliza. Here at my favorite place in this school. Tabia upon this. I'm gonna fix my hair because when if it's being broke, it's kind of too much. My hair is grown. I took control of my life. I took control of everything. And here I am with one and only Karanja with tea. He also likes the window, like looking at himself like me. I like these earrings. They complement my big head. My big pineapple melon head. What's life without like yeah, this is life without stress. Like my son is gonna study. I am gonna have like training sessions. Oh yeah, this is good life. Thank you, God. Though I miss my man still. Move on, girl. Yeah, we joke about it nowadays. At least we joke about it. And the flies. We joke about it nowadays. We joke about it nowadays. Like, why does this panty like go in the middle? Why? At least we joke about it nowadays. We joke about it. We joke about it. So many can understand me because I was not meant to be understood by normal people. So if you understand me, you're not that normal. But anyway, it's better to be not normal and be this clever or anything.
Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are